All right, staying in the skies now, looking live here over Beach Mountain. Just a gorgeous view as to what we're seeing outside. Look at this. Oh, it doesn't get any better than that on a Friday, right at 4:18. Let's get right over to Chief Meteorologist Tara Lane in the Pinpoint Weather Center. Boy, Tara, I could just sit out there and watch those planes from Gustavo for hours. Those were like some of the coolest shots.
It's so cool. I know, mesmerizing. Yes, we were talking about him too. He's got his own gear. He's got his own merch. So yeah, that was pretty awesome. I know, what a cool story there. But yes, and flying out here these past few days has been fairly, tranquil. It's going to get a lot more turbulent though, especially tomorrow, starting tomorrow with the wind picking up a little bit, and especially Sunday, we will likely have a lot of delays happening up and down really the eastern part of the country and down through the deep south the next couple of days with the severe weather that's going to be happening. Now check out temperatures. We have some thicker cloud cover here back off to the east, and notice how it's much cooler. Places like Wilmington, Morehead City down in the 50s, low 60s, and Raleigh and Fayetteville compared to the 73 that we have here in the Queen City area. And up into the mountains, we're actually a little bit warmer, 62 right now, just updated, but close to 80 off to the south with a little more sunshine. If you're out and about on this Friday night, this evening, no weather issues. We stay partly cloudy to mostly clear. And again, by 9 p.m., not much of a cool down. Temperatures falling back only into the upper 60s. And of course, we have the big St. Patrick's Day parade and festival tomorrow in the Queen City. If you're doing that to kick off the weekend, weather looks pretty good. Only looking at a minor chance of a spot shower, maybe some spotty drizzle here and there toward the end of the day, but temperatures will still have the opportunity to warm up into the mid 70s. Now it is Sunday morning and even early afternoon that we are watching for all of this active weather to move in ahead of this powerful storm system and directly ahead of a cold front. So that is going to spread in likely some severe thunderstorms all over our area from the mountains down through the foothills, Piedmont, east out toward the Sandhills, central and eastern portions of the Carolinas. As of now, most of our area where you see this yellow, that indicates a level 2 out of 5 risk of severe weather. Here's what we're looking at. Widespread possible severe storms Sunday morning. As I said, even maybe an hour or two after lunchtime, early afternoon time frame. It's starting in the mountains and foothills first, roughly around 4 to 5 o'clock in the morning. Then it will continue to head east out toward the Charlotte metro and points east and Anson, Richmond County, down through Chesterfield County. As we get a little bit later in the morning, say roughly 6 a.m., 7 a.m. to about 10 a.m. and then clearing Richmond County, possibly not really until about 1 o'clock or so in the afternoon. We're looking at damaging wind gusts, even some larger sized hail can't be ruled out, possible tornadoes as well. So let's check it all out on future radar. First off, we start with this evening. Couple of sprinkles can't be ruled out for you all in the mountains. Otherwise, we're staying mostly dry. Notice by early tomorrow morning, clouds just covering the entire area, spotty light rain or some drizzle possible as we head throughout the day. And then here comes the main event here. So 4 a.m. on Sunday, we start to see that heavier rain, embedded thunderstorms moving in. And look at this, and look at these little, if you look real close, these little bullseyes here. That's when we could have some pretty intense storms producing some hail there. And by 7 o'clock in the morning, rolling into the foothills, and then by 9 a.m. just covering most of the Charlotte metro, that widespread stormy weather, possibly some damaging wind here and hail and quick spin up tornadoes. 10 o'clock in the morning up through about 1 o'clock into the afternoon. It is still clearing the area off to the east, and we'll likely see a little more clearing as we go into the afternoon. So just a quick review of some of that tornado safety with these possible tornadoes in the forecast. Safe place option. If you do have a basement, that is always the best place to go. The farther away from that storm you are, the better it is and the safer you will be. But most of you probably don't have a basement. So the safe place option, interior room on this lowest level of your home, is the best place, like a bathroom or a coat closet. That's where I go, where my coats are hanging up under the stairs. Tornado safety, what you want to do in that safe place is have a helmet, protective footwear such as boots, maybe when you go to your safe place, just to be on the safe side, cell phone, and perhaps some water as well. All right, so we'll keep you posted, of course, all throughout the day. Pinpoint weather alert day with the active weather moving in for Sunday. Everything clears out St. Patrick's Day on Monday, and it's back to a little sunshine, briefly cooler, and we're back in the 70s next Tuesday and Wednesday.
All right, thank you, Tara, for that.